Carrier error code P0 indicates a protection fault within the integrated parts module of your HVAC system, typically found in variable speed units like the Infinity series. The IPM is crucial because it regulates the compressor's speed by converting DC to variable frequency AC power. This error is a safety mechanism triggered by anomalies like overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, or overtemperature within the IPM, preventing potential damage to the compressor and other components. As of 2026, P0 remains a common issue, often resolved with resets or minor fixes, but understanding it is key to maintaining system health. The P0 error activates when the IPM detects specific electrical or thermal anomalies. Common triggers include overcurrent above 15A, overvoltage above 400 volts, undervoltage below 300 volts, or overtemperature above 80 degrees Celsius. Overcurrent occurs when current exceeds 15A, often from motor control issues. Overvoltage happens when voltage rises above 400 volts, potentially from power quality problems. Undervoltage triggers below 300 volts, indicating insufficient power supply. Overtemperature activates above 80 degrees Celsius, often from thermal management issues in the inverter board. These conditions can arise from loose wiring, failing capacitors within the IPM, or power surges impacting the system. Identifying the root cause is essential for a proper fix, as simply resetting the system without addressing the underlying issue may lead to recurring errors and potential long-term damage. Begin by checking the voltage inputs to the IPM. Inspect all wiring connections for looseness or corrosion. Use Carrier's diagnostic tools via Control Board LED or ComfortLink app. Perform a hard reset of the system. Monitor if the error reappears after reset. Use oscilloscope to test IPM's gate signals for professionals. De-energize the system before inspections. Several factors can cause a P0 error. Loose wiring is a frequent culprit, easily resolved by tightening connections. Capacitor failures within the IPM module can also trigger the error, requiring component replacement. Power surges can damage the IPM, necessitating the installation of surge protectors. In some cases, software or firmware glitches can cause false P0 errors, which can be resolved with a system reset or firmware update. Carrier frequently releases firmware updates for its HVAC systems, including improvements to error diagnostics and IPM protection. Ensure your system has the latest firmware installed to benefit from these enhancements. Firmware version 2.8 for Infinity controls, released in late 2025, includes enhanced diagnostics for P0 events and allows remote monitoring. A system reset can sometimes clear a P0 error caused by transient issues or software glitches. However, if the error persists after a reset, it indicates a more significant underlying problem that requires further investigation. Preventing P0 errors involves proactive maintenance and ensuring a stable electrical environment for your HVAC system. Regularly inspect wiring connections and tighten any loose connections. Install surge protectors to safeguard against power surges. Consider a whole house surge protector for comprehensive protection. Schedule annual maintenance with a qualified HVAC technician to inspect the IPM and other critical components. Keeping your system clean and well-maintained can significantly reduce the likelihood of P0 errors. While some P0 errors can be resolved with basic troubleshooting, others require the expertise of a qualified HVAC technician. If you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, or if the P0 error persists after attempting basic fixes, it's best to seek professional assistance. A technician can accurately diagnose the root cause of the error and perform necessary repairs or replacements safely and effectively. Ignoring a persistent P0 error can lead to more severe damage and costly repairs down the line. The future of IPM technology involves advancements in digital diagnostics and predictive maintenance. AI-integrated systems are being developed to analyze usage patterns and environmental data to preemptively identify potential IPM failures. New materials like silicon carbide are being used in semiconductors to improve IPM efficiency and reduce the incidence of P0 errors. By 2028, Carrier aims for fully autonomous fixes via over-the-air updates, minimizing the need for service calls. These advancements promise to make HVAC systems more reliable and easier to maintain.